Welcome to all followers of the channel in a new and distinctive video of household appliances and smart devices. We will see a group of tools and devices that will save time and effort and help in the exploitation of narrow and small spaces in the home. I will mention to you the places where we can buy these tools and devices. 10. Sink Companion. This is a strainer attached to the sink that prevents water from overflowing and makes it easier to dispose of water. Not many people know that you can install a special silicone absorbent mat under the faucet too. 9. Towel Storage Box. This box for storing facial towels is beautifully designed with a glacier pattern that adds a touch of elegance to your bathroom. It is made of high-quality materials and is thick and durable. It is fixed with a traceless adhesive, making installation very easy. The door is magnetic, and it is easy to replace the towels. 8. Sink Filter. Instead of using a traditional sink plug, it is recommended to install a filter to prevent clogging and bad odors. 7. Cleaning Stick. This long stick can be used to clear blockages in sinks, drains, and even kitchen sinks. It is very effective and easy to use. 6. Small Bean Sprouts. These small plants are grown in the bathroom and are very effective at purifying the air and preventing unpleasant odors when you are not at home. 5. 360-degree rotating faucet. This faucet is designed to rotate 360 degrees, making it easy to use and convenient for brushing your teeth, washing your face, or washing your hair. It can even be switched to a shower mode to clean the sink and prevent dead corners. This is a game changer for those who have trouble with splashing water on the countertop. 4. Water Absorbent Mat. This mat can be placed next to the kitchen sink to absorb water and prevent it from getting on the countertop. Its bottom is designed to absorb water, and it is easy to clean and prevents slipping. 3. Soap Holder. It is recommended to separate the soap in your bathroom to keep it clean and hygienic. This soap holder is designed to rotate and does not take up space on the countertop. It can hold adult and children's soap separately and comes with a water drainage feature, making it easy to use and clean. 2. Sink Storage Rack. This rack can be installed next to the kitchen sink and is perfect for holding sponges and other cleaning supplies. After washing, the water drains automatically, keeping the countertop clean. It also has hooks for hanging small items, making it very convenient. 1. Toothbrush Holder. This holder is perfect for keeping your toothbrushes and cups clean and organized. It can be mounted on the wall and comes with a tool to squeeze the toothpaste tube. The toothbrushes are separated to prevent bacteria from spreading, and the cup is inverted to allow for easy and quick water drainage. The back of the holder can be used to store other hygiene products, such as shampoo and soap. It saves space and is very practical. Now let's find out how to get the product in the video. There are 3 different ways to get the product. The first method is to buy from one of the stores that sell tools and household appliances, scattered around or near us. The second method, Facebook pages for selling home appliances. The third method, through websites that sell home appliances and ship them to different countries of the world. The following are the most important of these websites: Amazon and eBay and Walmart and Bestbuy, also Target and Lowe's. I will leave you the electronic addresses of these sites in the description of this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the alerts button so that you receive notification or alert of each new video. Also, do not forget to like the video.